Good morning, children. Let us learn lesson number 3, patterns. Book exercise in page number 47. Let us practice. Complete the following sequence in page number 47. First sum, first number 125, second number 150, third number 175. First number 125 plus 25, second number 150. 150 plus 25, third number 175. So 175 plus 25, what's next one? Correct. 200. Second sum, first number 100, second number 400, third number 700. First number 100 plus 300, second number 400. Second number 400 plus 300, third number 700. 700 plus 300, fourth number, correct. 1000. Third sum, first number A100, second number C300, third number E500, fourth number, correct. G700. Fourth sum, first number 200, second number 400, third number 600, fourth number 800. Remaining sums, homework. Thank you, children.